What about the dog, the black dog?
Willie dog?
The black Labrador who comes around that we drool and spit
Oh,
on.
he got hit by a car.
Yeah,
That black dog?
yeah.
Yeah, he got hit by a car recently.
Did you see him die?
No, I didn't see it, no.
Well, what would you have done to him if he hadn't have been hit?
Probably continue to feed him chicken bones and things like that, you know. We kept him stuff. He ate well. He lived pretty well for being a vagrant animal. I think so. Everybody in the complex fed him well with lots of chow.
Tell us about the Gray.
The Gray.
Old Man Langley. You've got
he's
some
an
good.
interesting chap.
You've got some interesting Old Man Langley stories.
Personally, I think he's a nice chap. He doesn't seem to be quite all there. He likes Ray. He likes Ray a lot. He doesn't like Meg. But we 86 the Meg, so that's not important anymore.
What did he used to say to you?
He used to always say to me, where's Ray?
Have you heard the stories about him and young boys?
Yeah, lots of times. Several times. Mr. Langley's incorrect.
He'd come in and ask to use the phone in a gentle tone of voice, kind of a womanly tone of voice.
Yeah, several times.
How would he do it? Give us an example.
That's hard to do.
Imitate him as best you can.
I'd take a lot of effort. I wouldn't know how.
You've done it before.
You have to see it on your own.
You've done it before.
I don't remember when, though.
Oh, Jesus. What about the young one, the Johann?
He's an interesting chap, too.
Yeah. I can't, we can't.
With Dad.
Where are you going?
I'm wailing on you. Oh, come on, you fuck. This is some outrageous shit. I won't have no part of it. I'm telling you right